Hola a todos, bienvenido a mi canal. Soy Princesa and today's video is going to be a clean with me video. Well, my room's currently a mess. I don't know who told me that was okay. I don't know why it looks like this, but I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like right now, and then you're going to watch me clean it, and then you're going to see the aftermath and be like, I'm so happy you decided to clean your room today. It's just like, I know it had to get done because I don't even know how I let it get to this point. Like, I'm usually organized on top of it. I think like this week has been like kind of rough for me, so I just like just let it go. But this is bad. This is like really bad, guys. Like terrible. Currently what my room is looking like, my closet actually isn't that bad. I'm doing laundry right now, so that stuff's right there. That's the chair that you put everything on because you don't feel like putting it away. Behind my TV on my dresser is terrible. That purse looks terrible in the background. My jacket is right there. I don't know why. I'm washing my sheets and my comforter, so I got more sheets to put on, but obviously it's naked because I haven't put them on yet. Under my bed, terrible. Like, my curtains right there, that's what that is. Under my desk, terrible. I need to organize those papers. My desk, terrible. And I got 1,000 water bottles here, so I need to take care of that too. finally finished my room. It looks so much better. I'm a little tired now, but I have so much I have to get done today. Yeah, you guys saw it. I cleaned my room. It took me about 2 hours, but it's because I was doing laundry too, so I had to stop and go and stop and go, so there's a lot going on. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about my channel so we can be lit together. Gracias por ver. Adiós.